I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your lightning session brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merchandise. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com and use code BTC Sessions right now for 5% off. What is CoinJoin and why might you want to use it? Bitcoin is not inherently private, and thus you may be giving up private financial information to anyone you transact with. A CoinJoin is a coordinated Bitcoin transaction amongst multiple parties to help obfuscate who owns which coins. For a simple example, imagine 10 people sitting around a table, each with a quarter, and throwing their coins into the center, then grabbing a new one out. It would be difficult to discern who has which original quarter. Now, CoinJoin does not make it magically seem like you do not own Bitcoin or that you never owned Bitcoin, but it does break the links between your old transactions and your new transactions. What this means is that someone who knew you had a specific set of coins previously would not be able to see your future transactions, and anyone new that you transact with would not be able to trace back previous transactions and balances. In the end, CoinJoin is an excellent tool in your Bitcoin privacy arsenal, and if you'd like to learn more about it, check out my Bitcoin privacy playlist over on my YouTube channel.